Oh, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this video is brought to you by AJ's Quick and Smart Laundry. And for the college students, have you ever wondered, coming back from college, you have so much to do and you have to wait till the weekend, to wash your clothes and all that. But now there's a solution to that. But hold on a second. It's not just the college students that can give the dirty clothes. Anybody can give the dirty clothes to this company. This company picks up and drops the dirty clothes at your doorstep. Without further ado, meet Zach, a business entrepreneur. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look on this vlog.
TV, sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was on,
Good. Okay guys, this is Zach and it's his company AJ's. So come in, let's have a look around what and all is there. You're gonna show us around, right? Come in guys. Alright Zach, so as many people have been having a lot of issues, especially people are staying in PGs. By the time they come from college, they don't have time. They have to wait till the weekend, but to wash their clothes.
Right.
But I think you're the solution here in our small town. But I mean, you drop clothes and you pick up clothes as well, right? So I just want to ask you, what's the procedure of your company like?
Yeah, sure. So the procedure starts with a phone call. Hello, AJ's Laundry. Okay. And what's your location? Alright. I'll see you there. Alright. Thank you.
Rồi cũng lấy bốn con, ya cái bao trong phi và mất, ya cái này với phi linh ba cái chuyện tray trong phi cái này cái AJ's Quick and Smart Laundry. Thì cái squad cái này cái phi sẽ cái chuyện mình tôi với phi ở với phi tray cái này cái jacket nó.
Ngi ở trên tôi nằm ba hay ni kim ra bet tolong kaya ba kan kedukan jungi te ngi ở hi cái mình tôi cả ni cả tôi kan
Thì mà phi phải không?
Không chưa hi yo jumen tai na ba nom ta mo da wat kam sunu ro long ngam yo te long han ni pat na du ba pli kan ni ta nga yo kan ay jumen tai chi ban
Thì phi snow comment em haba phi yo ban tray kum cái này cầm á.
hỏi sao tao hỏi
Mà phi không?
hoy ya ro stanat
Toh, te tangkat tu ki balingkot no ngi suka ban pen PC ba. Mo, let's say ki ka kam don hang ne perten dai kum gini jat kam nyum dei ban le ran dan ka kam te ka dei ka kam mo. Te tangkat ta ku blei sibun kong te to blei nang ker khu PC ba ro anget te nang yai trace ta mo. So we're done, and these are the employees here in AJ's Quick and Smart. They love their job, and I hope that you guys also, whatever work comes to your mind, just work for it. Work is work, doesn't matter whether it's small or big. So that's it.
So first of all, Liza, I would like to really thank you for interviewing me.
No problem.
And it's a humbling experience because I've watched a lot of your vlogs and I'm a fan of your vlogs.
Thank you so
And
much.
I'm happy to be part of one of your vlogs.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
So I was born in Shillong actually,
Okay.
But then I grew up in Delhi. Most of my life I grew up in Delhi,
Okay.
and I always wanted to come back. Always try to find an excuse to come back
Okay.
and maybe start something here.
Okay.
And as they say, home is where your heart is. So,
Yeah, right.
So
Tell me why laundromat here in Shillong? Why start a laundromat here in Shillong?
that's a very good question, Liza. First of all, mainly it looks very promising, this concept, because of three major factors: water scarcity in Shillong,
Okay.
in every part of the city, and growing numbers of professionals and students
Okay.
in the city who
Okay.
don't have the time to do the laundry.
Yeah, exactly.
And the amount of time, you've seen how unpredictable the weather is in Shillong.
Yeah, exactly, man. Look at it right now.
So the amount of time it takes for your clothes to dry up,
Yeah.
it's crazy sometimes.
Yeah, so that's a good point also. So yeah, as an entrepreneur, do you feel this concept will work in Shillong?
Well, it's a new concept, and I know it's risky. However, no one has ever, become successful without taking a risk at some point
exactly.
of time. And for me, it's in this case, it's the concept that I hope that the people of Shillong would,
Right, right.
find it maybe helpful for them in their day-to-day lives, right? 5 years from now, I would definitely like to see my business growing
Yeah.
into a more lucrative and thriving business.
Okay.
Maybe get more employees.
Yeah.
I can hire more employees, give more jobs to people.
Exactly.
In maybe the youth.
Yes, exactly.
And I hope that I don't get a pouch belly in
No,
5 years like all businessmen do.
I hope to see that your business should be a flagship here in Shillong as a
I really hope that.
yeah, I hope that you will grow more and more from here
Thanks.
onwards. So this is also another important question. Some people they just do it because they're forcing themselves to do because they need something for them.
Right.
But as for you, do you like doing this business? Do you love doing it?
Well, my concept definitely helps the students,
Exactly.
the working professionals, and the growing industry, tourism industry.
Yeah.
So they always seem happy when they get their fresh and clean laundry. So
Yeah, man.
that somehow internally
Which is
seems-
good. It makes you happy. You get
Yeah.
something out of it.
Out of it,
and
exactly.
I hope that you don't give up. This is a good thing for you, and you just have to keep doing it and don't give up because business don't just go up like that.
Exactly.
It takes some time. So the last question: is there any message you would like to convey to our young entrepreneurs?
Well, I would like to say if you have a dream, and you want to achieve it and pursue it by all means, go ahead because there's no one stopping you
Yeah, man.
but yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
So, I mean, there will be times when you would feel like giving up
Yeah, definitely.
because there's a lot of
definitely.
headache and stress in it. But then, just go for it. If you have your heart, put your heart in it, go for it and achieve it.
Alright.
And of course, always thank the big guy out there for blessing
Yeah,
you
man.
with this life. Right?
So you heard it, guys. Zach here, he's an entrepreneur, and always chase your dreams and don't give up because he's one of a hustler who would love to make his own thing. So I would love you guys to get inspired by him. Anything you do is work. Don't give up on your dreams. And till then, thank you so much, Zach, for having. Thank you for coming to my vlog.
Sure.
Appreciate
Pleasure.
it. And I wish you all the best with your
Thank you.
your business, man.
Thank you, sir.
That's pretty much.
Alright.
Alright. Peace, guys. Alright, good morning, guys. So I had to film this separately because yesterday I was too tired. After the vlog, I came home. Immediately I sat down, started editing, and it goes on and on and on till what time God knows, but you gotta hustle, right? Anyway, if you guys find this vlog very productive, if you think that it can help you for a good purpose, I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up. And for those people who are new to my channel, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button with that bell icon for further notifications. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. If it wasn't because of you guys, I wouldn't be here standing doing this every day, every night, every month and every year. So you guys mean a lot to me. It's all because of the love and support that I got from you. That's why I'm still doing my thing. So thank you so much. You guys are amazing. I love you all. And well, without being said, I want to give a shout out to AJ's once again. Thank you so much, AJ's, for letting me do this vlog and for sponsoring this video at the same time. And a few announcements before I close this vlog. There's a movie called Kashyap. It's gonna be released I think today or tomorrow. I'm not sure, but once I get the link, I'm gonna leave it under the description. It's not gonna be in my channel. It's gonna be in Suit Cement in another channel. But I would love you guys to go check that movie. I'm just an actor over there. I'm not the one who's directing or who wrote the script. But I will be doing my film very soon. It's a short film. It's a thriller. So this is also my last vlog of the month, and I'm gonna go back to short films from here onwards. So happy news, good news to the people who loves to watch short films. So here I am once again gonna be doing a short film very soon. So I'm gonna leave AJ's link under the description, the contact numbers, everything, the IG account. So I want you guys to hit them up whenever you need to clean your dirty clothes. And with this, we're all gonna say, away! Peace out, guys. Stay safe, take care.